I only come here for chicken pho. Almost done!
What am I gonna say again?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the second last Saturday that I have at my home. I am moving next Saturday and I have to film a home tour video before I leave. Anyways, enough talking. I am going to get ready now and start my day. The best part about this restaurant is they always put like hot water in a cup to clean all utensils. I think this is what they do in some places in Vietnam too. This soup is so good. It's like actually one of my favorite restaurants for chicken pho. I only come here for chicken pho. It's so good. I got this chicken, put it in some fish sauce. I'm gonna finish my food and then we're gonna continue with our day. So I'm back at home. It is 8 o'clock and I took a 2-hour nap. Bruh. So I have 1 hour to clean as much as I can before I have to go to work. Let's get started. I want to dry these roses. Like, can I just hang it like this? I don't know what to do with this. I'll put it over here. One thing I learned the most about moving out is how much I love being alone. I think I became more of an introvert when I started living by myself. Because usually I lived with someone. I was really scared to be by myself, live by myself. I was so scared that I didn't move in for a whole week because I was just terrified. And then it took me, I think, 3 months to really feel like this is my home. I think that's normal. Like, I don't think anyone just moves into a place and thinks, oh, this is home now. It takes some time to add little touches of home to your place, and it took me 3 months. I'm not excited to move, and I feel like I'm not done my time here yet. So I have to go get ready for work. I have 10 minutes before I have to get the heck out of my place and to work. I'm just gonna finish this up when I get home. We have this pile right here of random stuff. That area right there. Work in progress over there. Boxes of stuff, backpacks. It is a mess. I'm usually not this messy. It's just I worked a lot this month. Usually when I get home, I'm home to either sleep or pretty much quickly change, nap, and then I'm out the door again. So this is what happens. And also it's me trying to pack a little bit to start moving things, and yeah, that's why there's such a mess. Yeah, we're almost there. Almost there. Hi guys, well, it is currently the next day now. As you can tell, there's sunlight behind me, and I failed at coming home and cleaning, so I'm gonna quickly clean before Alan gets here to film the video. Okay, so I've been cleaning for what? About an hour and a half, and this is the progress. Let me show you guys. I'm almost done. Almost done. Kitchen is still a little bit messy over there. I've decided just to leave this over here. Look at the couch. It is so clean now. Everything is all in there. So this is the progress. We are at the last part of the home, which is the washroom downstairs. I can't believe I actually did it. I am excited to complete this task and actually film this one video that I really wanted to film. I think out of all the videos I'm planning to film, this is the most important one. And this place is like really important to me because I kind of found my independence here. I figured out like I could do anything. Yeah, I just moved out by myself, but it's a huge deal. I think anyone who moves out by themselves the first time, it's very scary and you kind of question like, can I afford it? And even if you can't, which I honestly couldn't afford it when I first moved out. Well, if I cut a lot of expenses that were unnecessary, yeah, like I was making enough to move out. I just had to cut a lot of fun out of my life to make it work. I pretty much found a way because a friend of mine encouraged me to, you know, like if you want something and if you need more money, you can always like get another job or figure it out. And the experience I got out of this was totally worth having multiple jobs. It also made me work harder. This place has a lot of meaning to me and I just wanted to document it a little bit and give it some love before I leave in a week. And just like that, the washroom is done. Hello! Ta-da! Wow, I actually finished. Now I just need to put on some makeup. And then I'll be done for real. Oh wait, my makeup's upstairs. Here. Need to get ready quickly while Alan's still on his way here. We were filming and then I said I offer snacks to people and he was like, what about me? So what'd you grab?
Chips, Jolly Ranchers.
Oh, hi there. Welcome to my... Oh, fuck, what am I gonna say again?